Welcome to Eternal Easy Education. In this session, you are going to learn Chapter 13, Network Cabling. Content of this video is, what are the types of network cables? So what is given in your book regarding network cabling? There is an introduction. On the basis of computer was invented by Charles Babbage. People started inventing much newer technology with the computer. In 19th century, the US military base had much technology to serve weapons and people, but they did not have any technology to send a report from one place to another. So the need to send the report from one place to another arises in 19th century. So then slowly the word network grew bigger and bigger. Then the Advanced Research Projects Agency Network, ARPANET. So you learnt already this was invented, and the TCP/IP was adapted with ARPANET. We know what is TCP/IP. It's a protocol through which the information is transferred from one place to another place. Then the researchers began to research the networks of networks. First, the network was within one computer. Okay, one computer to another computer. Next, it changes from one place to another place. Then, one city to another. The geographical area of the network connectivity is increasing and it becomes internet when the communication takes place from one place to another place. This is invented by Tim Berners-Lee. So internet was accessed easily from anywhere, but setting up of the network is big nightmare. That means it's a big task to connect the devices in the network. Still, network cables are being used worldwide to produce a faster internet to the people. The network cables are used to transfer data from one device to another device. So they have given a picture of different types of cables which are used for the connections. So in the syllabus they have given 6 types of network cables. So we are going to learn one by one. So what are the network cables in the syllabus are coaxial cables, twisted pair cables, fiber optics, USB cables, serial and parallel cables, Ethernet cables. So among that, in this video you are going to learn the 3: coaxial, twisted pair and fiber optics. So what is a coaxial cable? This cable was invented in the year 1880. It first used to connect television set to home antennas. Then this cable is used to transfer information in 10 megabits per second. The cable is divided into thin net and thick net cables. These cables have a copper wire inside the insulation to covered on the top of the copper wire to provide protection to the table. Since those who are using cable connection, you can see your cable which is connected with your TV. These cables are very difficult to install and maintain because they are too big to carry and replace. The coaxial cable got its name by the word coax. So this is the picture of a coaxial cable. So outer layer is a plastic, inner there is a metallic shield, then there is a dielectric insulator, then there is a center core. Through this only the signals are transmitted. Nowadays coaxial cables are also used for dish TV where the set-top box and the televisions are connected. So all the children will check your TV dish set-top box and the wire. Some of the cable names are Media Bridge 50 feet coaxial cable, Amazon Base CL2 rated coaxial cable. These are all company names or the type names. Simply coaxial is a plastic cable with a metallic shield with a dielectric insulator with a center core. Next one is the twisted pair cable. Here, 2 or more insulated wires are twisted together. So it started with a speed of 10 megabits per second. Then the cable was improved and the speed was higher and went to 100 megabits per second, and the cable was renamed as 100 base TX. Finally, the cable was improved to 10 gigabytes per second and named as 10 G base T. So this twisted cable has 8 wires. Can you see here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which are twisted to ignore electromagnetic interference. The 8 wires cannot be placed in a single unit as there can be difficulty in space. So it is twisted to make it one wire. There are two types of twisted pair. One is unshielded twisted pair, UTP. So this is a unshielded twisted pair. Another one is shielded twisted pair. So how is the shielded twisted pair? Can you see insulator overall foil and a train wire? So inner pair, each pair is shielded and again it is shielded with another thing. So the UTP is used nowadays as modern cables for internet, and they are lower in cost, and installation and maintenance is easy compared to the coaxial cables. The STP is similar to UTP, that is shielded or unshielded, but it is covered by additional jacket to protect the wires from external interference. So from the name itself we can understand it is covered, so it is shielded. Next one is fiber optics. So this cable is different from other two cables. The other two cables had an insulating material outside and conducting material like copper inside. But in this cable it is a strands of glass and pulse of light. So there is a layer or a thin wire-like material made up of glass. They are mainly used in wide area network. The WAN is a network that extends to very large distance to connect the computers. So WAN is the base to form the internet. So one example of WAN is internet. So these cables are placed in deep underground to avoid any damage to the cable. The optic cables use light to transmit the information from one place to another. So there are two types of fiber optic cables. One is single mode, another one is multi-mode. So what is the mode? Single mode cables are used for long distance transmission, whereas multi-mode cables are used for short distance transmission. The mode here, can you see a outer layer jacket and a buffer and a cladding with the core. If the core is more rays are passed, then it is multi-mode. If the core is small, only single ray can pass, then it is single mode. So that is the difference. We cannot see it in an elaborate manner, but the configuration will give the difference and the usage also different. We learned three types. One is coaxial, another one is twisted pair, another one is fiber optics. Thank you. Have a good day.